Hey guys, welcome to Rust. Now we are. Wait, I'm just looking at this. Go to warehouse. Where to? But yeah, we are going to hop back into the Let's Play. Yeah. Slash warp. Warp. To T. Plant. Okay, we're going to the base. Well, not the base. The area where I put the base. Okay. Radiation poisoning, no kidding. Okay. Ooh, the airdrops are still here. Airdrop. You can hear that, like, sizzling kind of thing. That's the radiation. Please tell me that there's another one. Nope, I guess not. We are slowly dying. Oh, great. So we're gonna have to... See, that's the mountain that I built on far in the distance. Now, someone raided me. I did a little recording when I jumped. Well, I didn't really record. Well, I jumped. Okay, you can see my face up there. That's a pretty dumb spot to see my face at. Dang it. I hate cactuses. Let's fix the game. Okay, longsword. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Okay, that's just a horse, cause I thought that was a human. I was gonna flip. Now I'm gonna use the longsword. Jack-o'-lantern, Thompson, and cool target. So we can do some practice range. Oh, I thought that was a bear. Die! Okay. No. Okay, I guess we're smacking this. That's even cactus. Okay, square one. Gather wood. We have to get there. Go. Oh crap! Nope. Okay. Looks like my looks like my money for the shop has depleted, which I'm pretty sad because I was gonna buy something. Okay, please tell me that these cactuses, yep, they work. Okay, 10 cloth is okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. We will gather this guy up. Well, okay. Make some room. Hide. Okay. Need some of this. Okay, let's go check on the base up on the mountain. I don't want to be doing this, but I guess I gotta, because, you know, you can see all my base and everything. Oh my god. My base is probably dead already. I should probably not even return to it. I don't know. Well, now we gotta scale up the mountain. Hopefully no bears. Because honestly, I'm not like to deal with those bears. Actually, paper. Paper. No. Okay. Meteor shower. That's not even a thing now. So. Okay. Thought that was another human. I guess not. Oh, yes. This is what we need. Awesome, actually. What I'm gonna do is heal up. Because I feel like it, and I need to. So let's bandage up. Are you still doing that work on? Oh. Okay, well, I'm still hitting rocks and getting some resources. How much is a common? Hello, common. 100 stones. This is gotta be easy because this server is 5 times together. And I am good. This. Okay, that works too. I'll throw this out. Honestly, I'm just doing this because I need to get this and throw that down. Now we're getting a lot of stone. Where are some? Okay, well, that's good. Can we craft something? I need 30 cloth. Okay, this has gotta be easy, because cactuses. We might do that soon, like maybe later, maybe when I'm not recording, because I want to see what I can do. I think it's only a couple of things, like kits, which actually, yeah, daily, okay. Slash kit dang get redeemed. What did we get? Ooh, this is good. Okay, that's good too. A bow. Oh, I think we did get a bow. I don't know. So I might just use this right now because it's a medical syringe. I was almost done. So let's go check out the base, the base that I did make. Up here when I was not, I did have some pretty decent gear. But someone wasted a C4 on my base. My 2 furnaces are still here. Okay, they just blew open the door. Okay. Well, I'm fine with that. Hopefully they didn't build in